Step into the 2005 Honda CR-V. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: lower anchors and tethers for child seats, 6-speaker sound system, air conditioning with air filtration system, XM satellite radio capability, 2-speed intermittent windshield wipers, leather upholstery, and 60/40 split fold and tumble rear seat. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.